All right, Terry, let's do it.
Oy vey, please, Lord.
Oy vey, the time has come. 15 numbered squares for Terry. 65 seconds, count them on the clock. An eternity. Good luck, go to work.
1, 2.
No.
4, 5.
No.
7, 8.
No.
10, 11.
No.
13, 5.
Yes.
14, 7.
Yes.
3, 8.
No.
11, 3.
Yep.
6, 9.
No.
12, 1.
Yep.
15, 2.
No.
8, 15,
No.
9, 4,
No.
6, 15,
Yes.
8, 10,
Yep.
9, 2.
Yep. Terry won her car. Terry finally won her car. Tell her about it, Gene.
Terry, you've just won this Subaru Justy two-door coupe. Features a 1.2-liter three-cylinder engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and air conditioning. Furnished by Subaru. A prize worth over $8,200.
Well, Terry, you're leaving us undefeated. $20,882 in prizes, including a brand new car. Congratulations. You're a super player. It's a delight having you here. We'll be back with a new contestant or two after this.
If there's a bustle in your hedgerow, don't be alarmed now. It's just a sprinkling for the May Queen. Yes, there are two paths you can go by, but in the long run, there's still time to change the